Subject-specific vocabulary is essential for building deep and meaningful knowledge. When students know the words, they can engage more fully with the subject, unlock their own understanding, and communicate with clarity and precision. One way to strengthen both understanding and recall is to let students play with the words they're learning. Vocabulary activities, whether word associations, explanations, or verbal games, invite students to recall, describe, listen, and use the terms in different ways. Because these activities are lighthearted and low stakes, students feel more confident to participate. What might look like just having fun is actually powerful practice that reinforces learning and builds lasting connections to content. Join me, Robin Palmer from Check Charge Today, at my NBEA session, Vocabulary in Action, engaging activities for deeper understanding. In this hands-on session, you'll get to play several classroom-ready activities, talk about best practices, and share implementation ideas. I look forward to seeing you in Cincinnati. What makes this session different is that you'll experience the activities just like your students would. Instead of only hearing about strategies, you'll play classroom-ready games, both familiar ones with a vocabulary twist, like tic-tac-toe and spoons, and new ones like fly swatter facts and match 'em up employee benefits. You'll see firsthand how the power of play builds understanding and boosts recall of key terms.